So here I set up a little drill for Lauren to work on, so she could work on her lag putting. I think putting is one of the most important part for amateurs because they may be weak at hitting the ball far, hitting the ball straight, but at the end of the day, putting and chipping can really save their game and save their day. So I set up a little drill here where you can see at the beginning of the video. I put 3 golf clubs down. You can use anything from tees, golf clubs, alignment sticks, flag sticks, as long as it's like a 3 foot by 3 foot box. And I put that behind the hole. So the goal here is for her to putt the ball and make sure she gets the ball either in the hole, which would be really, really good, or if she doesn't make it, at least get it to the hole and in the box behind it. That way it leaves yourself almost just like a little easy tap in to make it. So it's not like a stressful exercise. When you're out there on the course, you just tap it up there at about 3 feet, you can make the next putt typically. So then if she was to miss the box, if she hits 5 balls, if she's to miss the box, she has to start over and do the drill again. So put some pressure on her, so she's just not just hitting putts trying to put them in the box. It's a little bit more of a game and a good drill. Put some pressure on the student.
I'm going to have you do one more, okay?
Oh, what?
There you go.
So I set this short game drill up here for Cam. He wanted to work on short game. So it sets up 3 alignment sticks. They're about 5 to 10 feet apart, and they're in line with the hole. And the goal is to fly them into the different zones. So the chip would be flying in between stick 1 and 2, the pitch between 2 and 3, and the flop would be flying it past 3 almost to the hole. So it's just a good drill to learn the difference between carry and roll for pitches and chips.
There you go, and this is the far one next. That one I like.
What's everyone's least favorite thing in golf?
Least favorite.
What's the least favorite thing all golfers hate to do?
Get out of the sand trap for me.
Practice. So, what's the one way we all kind of grew up practicing? So I got my large bucket. Okay, I got my 8-iron. Oh, that's a good one. Okay, let's hit another one. And we just beat balls. That's what we all did for the longest time.
There's only so many shots in a round.
Yeah.
So if you waste them on the practice, you don't have anything left.
Give you energy.
So when I did that for my dad. He never would take me to the range. He didn't play golf. He didn't understand why spend money on golf. I'm never gonna. So what I started doing is he'd only buy like a small bucket. So I had to find ways to really practice with just a small bucket or different ways. So one thing I noticed was let's try to do some play practice. So one thing I'll do is I'm set up at this flag right here. It's 145. So when I'm on the course, seldomly ever do I have a full swing. Either I have to go a little over 100%, under 100%, So if I'm going at this, it's 145, it's a little into the wind, so I'm going to grab my 8-iron. I'm going to hit one and try to hit it short of the flag, then at the flag, then past the flag. And what that does is it makes me hit different shots. And then you can even go to the point where you're going to hit some shots and do it more where it's more, where you can hit some shots and do it more to the point where you're going to hit some shots where you're going to hit high ones, low ones, mid ones. Or for the better player, you can even focus on hitting more shots, draws, putts, make it fun practice more than just, oh, I'm just going to hit, I'm just going to beat balls and hit the same 8-iron over and over and over again. That's no fun. Practice. So developing games you can play for yourself. So like this one, I'm going to hit one and go through my routine. So I got 148. I see a little bit of like a draw. I got to land it short. So I'm going to hit it just a tad bit lower. So I'm going to set up, go through my routine, take my waggle. If I hit a bad shot, I'm not going to do the same one again. Because in golf, we don't try the same shot twice. So this one I see a little higher ball flight, just after. I got to get it.
Good.
So then the next one I do then is I have to hit a cut and I have to go past. A little bit of cut and pass. So, and that's one thing you guys can do too, if anyone wants to try this drill out. Full swing drill. For you guys, maybe doing the draw, cut, low, mid is a little too much to ask. But maybe you can do, okay, I'm going to take a little bit off and hit it short, hit it at it, and do that. And then repeat, reload, and grab like a 7-iron, go for, or go grab a 5-iron and go for the green flag, or grab a wedge and go for the yellow flag, or, it's like 10 minutes. You do 3 different flags, you got your distances, you go through your routine. Well, guess what? It's been 15 minutes. My rule is 30 minutes of golf practice. 30 minutes is good golf practice. So you're halfway through your practice. So anybody want to try the drill?
Sure. Give me a 165. 160.
I think green is 160, 178. We're in the green. Gotta go shorter, kind of there and then there.
Kevin, how often do you hit your, like, I would just switch to a different club to hear a difference.
All my clubs are like 12 yards to 15 yards in between. So, and I'm more to somewhere to say, sure, I hit my 8-iron 170. But if I'm, now this one go a little farther. Go through, or go, what was that one, full distance? So go a little shorter. Go
We're
through.
real good at hitting them short. I can do that.
So, if I'm 165 on the course, I can hit 9-iron about 155, 158. Am I going to try to, maybe it's a little downwind too, am I going to try to kill a 9-iron and try to get it there? Sure, maybe, but I'm more likely to grab my 8-iron.
Right.
Or maybe say, even a 7-iron, try to keep it really low. If the greens are firm and you're downwind, that's going to knock all the spin off it. It might carry all the way there and roll. So I don't want.
The wedge is where I judge distance.
Yeah, so I mean, it's one of those things where you're playing. Sure, I have my set distances, but they're going to change. They're not going to be the same club all the time.
So another question is, side hill, uphill, downhill lies. You never practice that on the range. Where would you suggest doing that?
Well, you can. There's
Just go.
our range has that one right there. That's pretty extreme, but you can always go
Yeah.
over there and hit your balls, and Steve's not going to yell at you. You can go on the course. If you find yourself in that line, you're playing by yourself, or you're playing by yourself. Even if you're just playing with your wife or whatever, I mean, I don't think Mrs. Krug is going to get mad if you if you hit a good shot, or you want to throw down another one.
No, she doesn't. I was gonna say. You don't know.
You want to throw down another one, hit one for practice. As long as there's no money on the line, or it's
I
not
used
a.
to like going out on the range when everyone was there, and then just hitting different,
Hit different shots,
to the
yeah.
flags, because then you got a target.
One thing I like to do is go over to like the short game area, and I'll do chipping, but then I'll hit some